Hi guys, this is lecture 7.2, dot product. The dot product is used when we have two vectors and we want to find out the angle in between. There is a general formula that states A dot B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times cos theta, where theta is the angle in between these two vectors when these two vectors are arranged tail to tail, and theta is in between 0 and 180 degrees. The dot product is a scalar, not a vector, and the units depend on the application. If either A or B is a zero vector, then A dot B will be equal to 0. Now let's take a look at example 2 from our learning resources. Determine the dot product of each pair of vectors. In question A, we have two vectors A equal to 10 and B is equal to 15. The two numbers represent the magnitude of these two vectors, and the angle in between is represented by theta equals to 40 degrees. In order to find the dot product, we simply have to plug in these values into our general formula, and that will give us 114.91 for A dot B. Question B is very similar, in which we have A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 60. The angle in between is 145 degrees. A dot B will be equal to negative 147.45. There are several properties of the dot product. For any non-zero vectors u and v, if these two are perpendicular to each other, then the dot product of u dot v will be equal to 0. For any vector u and v, u dot v is equal to v dot u. This is the commutative property for the dot product. For any vector u, u dot u is equal to the magnitude of u squared. For any vectors u and v and scalar k, in bracket k times u bracket close times v is equal to v times in bracket u dot v bracket close, which is equal to u dot in bracket k times v. This is called the associative property for the dot product. For any vector u, v, and w, u dot in bracket v plus w is equal to u dot v plus u dot w. And this is called the distributive property for the dot product. The dot product for Cartesian planes. The dot product can also be defined for Cartesian vectors. Let A equal to A1, A2, and B equal to B1, B2. A dot B will be equal to A1 times B1 plus A2 times B2. Thus, the dot product of two Cartesian vector A and B is A dot B equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2. And that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.